Dickens B. Emerson has a marriage record. Let me do a show all so I can see more information on that. It says that Dickens, which seems to be short for Dickinson, is in a marriage record with Agnes as his spouse and a child named Dickens Howard Emerson. This is a new child that we didn't know about. We're going to review and attach. I'm going to say that this Dickens B. Emerson is the same as this Dickinson Brown Emerson, and attach. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach Agnes's name from this marriage record to Agnes in the tree, and attach that record. Now Dickens is a new person not already found in the tree. It wonders whether this is a different person or a same person as Harold Dickinson. It is a different person, even though they have similar names. So what I'm going to do is grab these two arrows and find a space. I'm going to pull it up until there is a bar that is clear. When I let go of it, it creates a space for me to add this new child. It comes up with a proposal for an entry page for him, and all the information is correct. And I'll look and see if I can find a better birth information later. This assumes that he is deceased because of the year that he was born, more than 110 years ago. I'm going to click on Create a New Person in Family Tree. Now that there is a new person in Family Tree, it wants to know if I would like to add this information to that person to validate his existence. Here again, he has a bride and the parents of the bride. I'm going to put Dickens in focus position by doing Change and Dickens. Add Gladys Lacey Brown. Here again, there is no birthplace, and I'll go ahead and create the new person. Their marriage date is right here with the location. That alone will qualify for temple work to be done. It only needs a name, a date, and a place, so that would qualify her. Now to get these parents attached to this family tree under Gladys's name, I will click Change the focus person to Gladys. Now it will allow me to add Alexander. Looks to see if Alexander's in the system already. Can't find him, so add a new person and attach this record to him. Same thing with Susie Gracie. Create a new person and attach this marriage record to her. Now I've attached this marriage record to everyone in the tree, and when someone was not in the tree, I created them in the tree and then attached the record to them. From here, I can go back into someone on Family Tree. I'll go back to Dickens Howard Emerson in the tree. I'll click on Dickinson, put him in the center focus of the tree, and I see he not only has the two children that he had at first, but now he has two more children that we added from these record hints. And temple work now needs to be done for them and the spouses of those two children. The record hints are wonderful ways to find people that need to be added to Family Tree and do their temple ordinances for them. Now I would like to go to a new option that they've given us. I noticed when I looked at the sources for Daniel Ernst that they've got a new notation now. I'm going to look at the 1910 census. This source has not been attached to all people found in the record. I'm going to click on Unfinished Attachments. I can see from the fact that it's green that this 1910 census has been attached to Daniel Ernst in the family tree, and Lavina, and Mary. However, there are some more people on the record that can be attached as well. In this case, it's suggesting the wrong person. I know that Mary is the mother of Lavina, not the mother of Daniel. So I'm going to change the focus person here to be Lavina. And open up her parents. Now Mary's name on the record can be brought up to be parallel with Mary Ann Goss. So I'll click these arrows, left click and drag that up there and let go of it. I will go ahead and compare them. Now I'm going to say that there is a piece of information on the 1910 census that can be added into Mary Ann Goss's record on Family Tree, and attach that 1910 census to her and Family Tree.